na mi oy. Manguli na mi kay gikan na misa. This is our basura, our garbage. We take home.
So guys, malupad ako guys.
Bye. Aparay, Rui, ano ba? Hi.
Hello mga guys. So
Oh.
ayun, si Karen namin.
Puro tayo video day. So, now we sa mountain sa Toledo. So, sa planta din guys. Sa moto guys, manamig ka pizza. Nanganamig pizza sa muli nami. Dili uy, ako rin siya memories. So guys, mao sa babaw guys, kana guys, babaw. Mao na ang amuang giaduan, kapelya na siya. So this is Karen. Antoinette, oh, again? Mao na ni. For the memories.
I have sharing of you of all guys. So Antoinette is a very sad story.
Ay, kitaboy. You know guys, di ilalim ang may problema na gino na. So, hindi na to siya sabton.
So like me
So, hindi na to siya idagalag na ng kabukiran for peace of mind. So, ganahan mo siya peace of mind. So, amo siyang gisabayan. So, Antoinette is, muna na si Antoinette. Kana guys, Antoinette.
Well.
Antoinette! Oh my God, Antoinette.
Well,
This is Karen.
you know
Karen!
what, guys, people of us, we have the problem financial. What you laughing guys? Wait, funny.
Funny.
I say you guys.
Saban.
I see
Karen?
your channel guys. So look at my feet guys.
Agoy!
Look at my face guys, so black.
So,
You know why guys? Because of the
Nasamad?
slipper.
gosh.
Not what you know what? Kasi ko na
Saman.
my
Pain?
face is so more bloody.
Bloody.
Te, maganda tayo mag-English na diba? So bakit?
Kay mag-vlog ta.
Okay, dili
Di na lang tamo sa ng vlog. Mag-reels o
What did you
mag-reels.
say? I did not understand you.
What?
Your
No, ay. Da, you need to... Okay.
What? What?
The coping. Karen! Wait for me!
Ka tinong yung makuha sa diba?
Viral?
Mana ba?
No, di na lang tamo ma-explain ka ng mga viral. You know.
Meet on the floor. Oh my god, guys! My phone is so
Asa yung phone dahil?
disgusting.
You're so disgusting. Disgusting.
Ang disgusting.
Here,
Sino kay kuan?
guys.
Sino? Isa ganun ang disgusting thing.
Oh, okay ba? Limot ko.
Oh guys, my boobs is there.
Where's your
You know what,
keyboard?
guys? I have care of you. Don't judgment
You're so
of
talkative.
all us because you know not our story, guys. So please come back to my room. Oy, what you laughing, huh? I say you.
I say ganito. I say.
My,
Midwife mo
my
na siya.
cameraman is also laughing me.
No, I'm not
What about
laughing.
my problem? My language problem.
No!
Do you have?
Karen!
Okay, guys. So be quiet
Antoinette.
because
Why you're so bakang? Karen is bakang.